beautiful friends, welcome back to the Hair by Kate YouTube channel. Today I am getting rid of this bright yellow money piece. I've just been kind of over it since the day that I did it. So I'm going to be neutralizing it and just going a pretty solid dark tone today. If you guys are interested in more in-depth education, make sure you check out the link in the description box below. There is an Eventbrite link down there that will show you all of my upcoming classes. Whether you are looking for a virtual or in-person class, you'll find all of that info down below. My formula is going to be the Pulp Riot Liquid Demis 3-2 shade. It's a level 3 violet, and I'm using the violet because I want to make sure that we neutralize any resisting yellow, as well as just keeping it a really nice dark level 3. I'm going to mix that equal parts with the Liquid Demis Developer. And I chose the Liquid Demis line because I want to make sure that I still have the capability to switch up my color whenever I want. So even though at the moment I'm wanting a really dark hair color, I know in the future I'll probably want to go back to nice vibrant rainbow tones. So I don't want to use Faction 8, the permanent line from Pulp Riot right now, because I want to make sure that I am using a color line that will give me the possibility to easily remove in the future. Today I'm just going to be doing a standard all over color application on myself. I am outlining the entire perimeter of my head first, just to make sure that I don't miss any of those little pieces, and then I'm going through and taking little half-inch sections all the way up and just saturating from the base to the ends. Once I finish the entire application, I'm going to let the Liquid Demis process at room temperature for 25 minutes. Then I'm going to shampoo with cold water just to make sure that it's really locking my cuticle back down. And I'm going to shampoo with the Olaplex number 4 and Olaplex number 5. I'm also going to be styling with the Olaplex number 6, which is a leave-in cream to help me control frizz, and it just makes my hair super soft. And the Olaplex number 7, which is a bonding oil that's going to give me heat protection as well as a lot of shine. I'll also be using the Tripoli heat protection spray from Pulp Riot before I flat iron. And here is the final look. I was super blown away by how intense this violet is, because not only did it neutralize all of that yellow, but it left me with a really gorgeous burgundy plum shade around the money piece section of my hair, which I'm obsessed with. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!